Hello guys, how are you guys doing? So look what I was able to do. Straight crochet here. For the first time, I tried it on myself again. As you all know, I'm not professional, but I've been learning through YouTube and Pinterest. So this is sorry about my coughing. I've been sick, so I'm not feeling good. Excuse my voice. So yeah, this is what I was able to achieve, and I will go through it with how I got it ready. So I wake up and I was just wondering what I should do to my hair, so I decided to just strengthen them. I put some of my lotion, my hair lotion that I've been making, and when I was done, I started thinking, what should I do? So I was like, oh, I saw a straight crochet yesterday, and I like how it was looking, so I decided to try it and see how it will look on me. So I just do one round cornrow braid, and in the middle I did makamba. If you speak Swahili, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Is the big braid it they use thread to kind of braid them. You will see. I don't know how to call it in English. Again, English is not my first language, so I just decided to do that because I was like, I want to see if it can help my hair get straight when I take my hair down. So as you can see, I was braiding the cornrow braid, and this is what I was talking about when I said makamba. So just take a piece of hair, the amount that you want, and use a straight to braid it. So you will see how I did my crochet. Again, it's the first time. I already saw my mistake. I kept looking and compare the video I made with the other video, and I was like, okay, I know I learned from two people, but I could have done better. So this is what I was able to achieve this time, and I will try it again and see how we look next time. But yeah, come along with me and let me know how I did. Again, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you is your first time watching my videos, welcome, and please don't forget to like or tell me how I did. And if you are a returner, thank you so much for keep supporting my channel. Thank you so much, and please let me know how I did. All right, talk to you soon.
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but I know you're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand to see what I'm doing? Did I take a bullet for you? It's easy, I don't let go, but I won't. I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easy, I don't let go, but I won't. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. Take it all the time, I need to wrap my head around you. Cause God knows I want ya. You're taking everything for me, you don't even know. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. Come on, help me, I say na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight.
And this was the final look. Yeah. Again, thank you for watching. Please comment and tell me how I did. Tell me what I should do better next time.